Okay, so I got one of those kits to clean that, and all I did was turn it yellow. So I'm getting a DIY. I looked it up on the internet to see how. And it says use sandpaper, then come back with compound. So we'll see how it works. I'm going to use 400 grit at first, and putting water on it to clean it off. Keep it, use it wet dry. Do 400 first, and then 800. We'll see. Okay, so this is just after 5 minutes with 400. Never done anything here yet. 400. You can see a big difference, knocked all the yellow out. So I'm going to go to 800 and then get some rubbing compound. Okay, so yesterday I did the 400 600 grit sandpaper. It had knocked all the yellow off and it made it smooth. I mean, it's really smooth, but it's still like fuzzy. So I went over to buy more sandpaper and a rubbing compound, but I got this turtle wax to try this instead. Same price. Okay, so I am a difficult person to satisfy. But look at those headlights, man. They were so yellow. What I gotta say, man, Total Wax Headlight Lens Restore was like $10.99 at the Home Depot. Man, look how clean it is. It's amazing. It's amazing, the difference. And it's got all the stuff you need. It's got the sandpapers to bring it down. Now I cleaned mine with some wet dry sandpaper. I spent $3 on it, and it knocked off because it was really horrible. But if it wasn't so bad as mine, all you need is this kit, man. It's got everything in it for $11. And instructions. Just follow the instructions and you did good. Look at that, man. I'm blown away. Look at my car. I love my Mini Cooper. Thunder. Her name is Thunder and she roars.